Hi there, I'm Steve Boyko. I'm here to tell you how to get gems in Teain Station 2. There are only a few ways to get gems. The simplest way is to spend money on them in the shop, and there are various packages you can get to buy gems, ranging from 200 gems for $5.49 up through 6,000 gems for $120. So that is certainly one way to do it. Another way is sometimes beside the daily offer, there are packages that are offered at times that include gems and maybe some other items like locomotive parts as a package deal. That's a pretty good deal, and I have bought those once to get some gems and some other things. I think there's a special locomotive in the mix that I wanted to get, so that's another way to get gems. Beyond that, the other way to get gems is through doing jobs. If you see some of your job lists, I don't have any right now, but sometimes you'll see jobs where their reward, instead of just keys or experience points or even gold, there'll be gems. And you should definitely do those jobs because it's worthwhile to do jobs in general to get experience, but also you get gems, so that's great. And finally, special events have rewards in them, and some of those rewards include gems. So for example, here we have a reward at the bottom of 10 gems for achieving that level. Earlier I achieved a level there and got 10 gems. So far in this particular event, I've received 20 gems, and if I keep going I'll get another 10 and another 10. So it's worthwhile to do these events to get gems and other rewards. So those are the basic ways to get gems in Teain Station 2, and gems are worthwhile to help buy things, speed things along. So they're worth getting, and if you can get them for free, all the better. Thanks for watching.